जय जिनेंद्र. मेरा नाम है अर्नव घोदा and today I am going to be talking about the 10th dharm. The 10th dharm is Uttam Brahmacharya. Uttam Brahmacharya. Well, Uttam Brahmacharya is just like a palette of paint. It's like a painting basically. Sorry. And on that painting, you need to put the right amount of color to make it good. Because if you put too much, then the painting ruins, right? So just like that. This is what Brahmacharya means. So in Uttam Brahmacharya, the person needs to control his stuff, just like Uttam Tyag. So I'm going to be telling you a little story about Uttam Brahmacharya. There was a hunter. He liked to hunt, of course. But one day he met a sadhu. And he respected the sadhu so much. And the sadhu made him promise that he would eat only, he would not do any ahimsa, and he would only eat one roti a day. So he did that. And do you know what happened in his next birth? He became a dev, and then he remembered what he did. And then he realized, I do not need this. So he came down to earth and practiced being a human. He did everything human stuff, and then he became a saint. And then he also attained moksha. He knew that he was a dev. He knew that he had powers, but did he use them? No. So just like that, in Uttam Brahmacharya, you need to use the right brushstroke. You need to do everything controlled, because it will be very bad if you don't do controlled. So thank you for listening to my videos, and this was the 10th day. So thank you, and Jai Jinendra, and adios amigos.